Hi, to use AirDrop without Wi-Fi on iPhone 16e, you're gonna open phone settings first, and from here choose General section. After that, find AirDrop in the list, and now we need to turn on to use mobile data instead of Wi-Fi when Wi-Fi is not available. And another person needs to do the same thing. So it needs to go in same setting and also enable to use mobile data by tapping on the switcher. Now turn on AirDrop by selecting everyone for 10 minutes or contacts only, and the same on your iPhone 16e of course. And now let's turn off Wi-Fi here as well. And on my phone, I'm gonna enable mobile data. So let's test it. Let's share some files. For that, I'm gonna pick this picture, click share icon, and select AirDrop. Now I'm gonna choose my device here and click this accept option on it like that. And as you can see, everything is working just fine without Wi-Fi. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.